The next question was, is it permissible in Islam?
Yes. So we've talked to, this isn't just my opinion, we've talked to several Islamic scholars who are very knowledgeable and very worldly in understanding the aspects of the Quran that deal with animals, right?
Okay.
So it is absolutely 100% not permissible under Islam to shoot and poison a mother dog and her little pups. If you have a dog that's rabid or one that's attacking you, that's a different story. Of course, you can neutralize that dog. But when it comes to these dogs that are just hiding under the car and they're trying to avoid people because they're so scared of them, just trying to survive and live their lives, those are not fair game in Islam. And let that be very clear to anyone who thinks that these are dangerous animals.